Get ready because today we're diving into something every fitness enthusiast and health-conscious person needs to know, the best protein powders of 2020. Whether you're looking to build muscle, speed up recovery, or keep your diet on track, the right protein powder can make all the difference. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 options of the year, highlighting their unique benefits, key ingredients, and what sets them apart in a market full of choices. Stick around until the end because we've got a surprising pick that might completely change the way you think about protein supplements. If you're serious about optimizing your nutrition in 2025, you won't want to miss this. And for the latest prices and more details, check out the links in the description. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started. Number 5, Myprotein Impact Whey Protein Powder. Want to boost your protein intake without sacrificing taste? Myprotein's Impact Whey Protein is here to change the game. No more boring, chalky shakes. This protein powder turns your post-workout drink into something you'll actually look forward to. Let's talk flavors. Whether you crave rich chocolate, classic vanilla, or something fruity, there's a delicious option waiting for you. Say goodbye to bland and hello to a shake that tastes like a treat. Now, onto the good stuff, protein power. Each serving delivers 22 grams of high-quality whey protein concentrate, helping you build and maintain muscle. Whether you're hitting the gym, staying active, or just need extra protein in your diet, this formula has you covered. It's designed for both men and women, making it a great choice no matter your fitness level. Quality matters, and Myprotein knows it. This whey protein is crafted with premium ingredients to support your nutrition goals. Just keep in mind, it contains milk and soy and is processed in a facility that handles gluten and eggs, so check label if you have allergies, but this isn't just about protein. Impact. Whey is a complete nutritional boost designed to fuel your workouts and speed up recovery. It's more than just a supplement, it's a tool to help you perform at your best. Mixing it up is a breeze. Just add 1 scoop to 180-240 ml of water, milk, or your favorite liquid, and you're all set. Whether you blend it into a smoothie, stir it into oatmeal, or even add it to pancake batter, the possibilities are endless. If you're ready to upgrade your protein game with something that's both effective and enjoyable, Impact Whey Protein is worth a try. Your taste buds and your muscles will thank you. Number 4, MuscleTech Nitro-Tech Ripped Protein Powder. If you're serious about building muscle, boosting strength, and recovering faster, MuscleTech Nitro-Tech is here to change the game. Whether you're a bodybuilder, an athlete, or just someone looking to level up your fitness, this protein powder is designed to help you push further and recover stronger. Backed by decades of research, Nitro-Tech delivers 30 grams of premium protein in every scoop, combining whey protein isolate and peptides for rapid absorption. Plus, with 3 grams of creatine and 6.8 grams of BCAAs, you're getting the essential nutrients to fuel muscle growth and maximize recovery after intense workouts. The results speak for themselves. In a 6-week double-blind study, users of Nitro-Tech gained 70% more lean muscle compared to those using regular whey protein, packing on nearly 9 pounds of muscle instead of just over 5. Strength gains were just as impressive, with significant improvements in bench press performance. And it doesn't just perform, it tastes incredible too. Thanks to MuscleTech's partnership with top flavor experts, every scoop of the cookies and cream formula is smooth, delicious, and satisfying. With 40 generous servings per tub, you'll have plenty to power through your workouts and recovery. Nitro-Tech is crafted using advanced multi-phase filtration technology, ensuring a clean, high-quality protein source without unnecessary carbs or fats. MuscleTech's dedication to innovation and performance keeps them ahead of the game, making them a trusted choice among athletes and fitness enthusiasts worldwide. If you're ready to build muscle, recover faster, and enjoy a protein shake that works as hard as you do, Nitro-Tech is the perfect addition to your fitness journey. Try it today and see the difference for yourself. Number 3, Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder. Looking for a clean, plant-based protein to power your day? This one has everything you need and more. Packed with 21 grams of protein from organic peas, brown rice, and chia seeds, it gives you a complete amino acid profile to fuel your body. Plus, with just 1 gram of sugar and 5 grams of fiber, it's a gut-friendly choice that keeps you feeling great. If clean eating is your thing, you'll love that this powder is vegan, gluten-free, kosher, and non-GMO. No soy, no dairy, and absolutely no artificial preservatives or sweeteners. Just simple, high-quality ingredients you can trust. And with USDA organic and certified plant-based labels, you know you're getting the real deal. Verified quality, not just marketing hype. The best part? It's super versatile. Shake it up with water, almond milk, or oat milk for a quick boost, or mix it into smoothies, overnight oats, or even baked treats. However you use it, it fits seamlessly into your routine. Whether you're crushing it at the gym, looking for a meal replacement, or just need extra protein in your day, this powder delivers. With only 150 calories per serving, it's a satisfying, convenient choice for any lifestyle. If you're ready to upgrade your protein game, this might just be your new go-to. Number 2, Dymatize ISO 100 Hydrolyzed Protein Powder. Craving a rich, chocolatey protein shake that delivers real results? You're in the right place. Dymatize ISO 100 isn't just another protein powder, it's a game changer. Packed with 25 grams of ultra-pure hydrolyzed whey protein isolate per serving, it absorbs fast, fuels muscle growth, and speeds up recovery. Whether you're crushing a tough workout or just need a protein boost, this powder keeps your gains on track. Muscle recovery is key, and ISO 100 delivers. Each serving comes loaded with 5.5 grams of BCAAs, including 2.6 grams of leucine, one of the most powerful amino acids for muscle building. It's the perfect choice for athletes and fitness lovers who want to bounce back stronger after every session. Watching your macros? No problem. With just 1 gram of fat and sugar per serving, you get all the protein you need without the unnecessary extras. It's ideal for staying lean while building muscle, so you don't have to compromise on your goals or taste. If protein powder have upset your stomach in the past, ISO 100 is here to change that. It's gluten-free and contains less than 1 gram of lactose, making it easy to digest, even for those with sensitivities. That means you can fuel up without the worry. And let's talk flavor, because why settle for bland? The gourmet chocolate taste is smooth, rich, and never chalky. It blends effortlessly with water or milk, creating a creamy shake that actually feels like a treat. Bottom line, if you're serious about muscle growth, recovery, and great taste, Dymatize ISO 100 is your go-to protein powder. Give it a shot, you won't be disappointed. Number 1, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder. Get ready to dive into everything you need to know about this legendary supplement. From its powerful blend and mouth-watering flavors to the incredible benefits that make it a fan favorite, we're covering it all. What makes this protein the gold standard? It's all about the blend. Each serving packs 24 grams of high-quality protein featuring whey protein isolate, concentrate, and peptides. This powerhouse combo supports lean muscle growth and faster recovery, making it a go-to choice for anyone serious about fitness. But that's not all. You also get over 5 grams of naturally occurring BCAAs, branched-chain amino acids that fuel muscle repair and growth. After a tough workout, your body needs the right nutrients, and this protein delivers them in a natural, effective way. If you're watching your macros, you'll love the balance. Each serving has just 3 to 4 grams of carbs, 1 to 3 grams of sugar, and 1 to 1.5 grams of fat. Varies by flavor. It's gluten-free, and the double-rich chocolate flavor contains no sucralose, making it a cleaner option for many. Nobody wants a clumpy, frustrating shake, and thanks to the instantized formula, you won't have to deal with that. Just mix it with water or milk, and you'll get a smooth, creamy shake every time. No stirring struggle, no chalky texture, just pure satisfaction. With over 20 delicious flavors and sizes ranging from 1 to 10 pounds, there's a perfect match for everyone. Whether you love a classic chocolate taste or something more adventurous, there's an option for you. Plus, it's designed to fit any budget and protein goal. So, is Optimum Nutrition's gold standard 100% whey worth it? Absolutely. With its top-quality blend, fantastic taste, and reliable results, it's the perfect choice for building muscle, staying lean, and hitting your fitness goals. If you want a protein powder that delivers real results, this is it. Time to fuel your body the right way. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, check out the ones on your screen right now. See you in the next video.